Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. On a really hot day, you really appreciate air conditioning in a car. This HCPRO air conditioning oil is a really great way to keep your air conditioner system running. So this is the PAG 46 and it has a UV dye added to it. And that dye is awesome because it will help you to detect if there are any leaks anywhere because you'll be able to see it. So this is a high performance synthetic oil that is used for aftermarket air conditioning refrigerant systems. So this helps with compressor protection because it helps to reduce wear as well as corrosion. And overall, this is an excellent product. So it is easy to use and it's awesome that it has the dye in it and also meets OEM specifications. So if you are looking for a lubricant for your air conditioning system, definitely check out this one from HCPRO. That is my point of view.